Welcome back to our channel. Today our video is about common living room layout mistakes. The living room is often the heart of the home, where we gather with friends and family to relax and unwind. But when it comes to designing the perfect living room, there are some common mistakes that people often make. One of the biggest mistakes people make is pushing all their furniture up against the walls. While it may seem like a good way to create more space, it can actually make the room feel cold and uninviting. Another mistake is choosing an oversized piece of furniture that dominates the room. While it may be comfortable, it can make the room feel cramped and leave little space for other furniture. Clutter is another common problem in living rooms. Too many knickknacks, magazines, and other items can make the room feel cluttered and chaotic. Not having a focal point is another mistake. A focal point can be anything from a fireplace to a piece of artwork or even a large window. Without a focal point, the room can feel disjointed and lack a sense of purpose. Poor lighting is another common mistake. A single overhead light can make the room feel harsh and uninviting. Instead, try using a variety of lighting sources, including table lamps and floor lamps, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Finally, using mismatched furniture can make the room feel disjointed and chaotic. Instead, try to choose furniture that complements each other and fits together in a cohesive way. By avoiding these common mistakes and following some simple design principles, you can create a living room that is warm, inviting, and comfortable for everyone.